Okay, that's the Renault Espace from 2010, and here we have a 12 volt connector. So I'm going to connect this one, and it's connected to a multimeter. There's a plus lead, that's the minus lead, and it measures 0 volts. So we have 0 volts inside that power socket. That's because the power button, the start button, is not pressed. There is nothing on the dashboard. So if I will press it, then you will see something, a little info on the left side, and the voltage will increase. So I pressed it, 12.6 volts, and we have only the kilometers and the handbrake sign. Okay, if I press it once again, then you will see much more on the left dashboard, and the voltage will decrease. So I pressed it, the voltage is decreasing, we have higher consumption, those monitors, LCDs are on. Okay, and if I start the air, then the voltage further drops. It says AC is on, 12.80, and let's turn off the AC. Nothing changes because the engine is not started. It's not turned. Okay, and let's push the minus button. Since the air is off, the voltage increased. Okay, and if we push the start button, that will turn off. Okay, now it will be higher. 12 point, it's not 6 anymore. 12.5. Now even less because the LCDs are on, and now it will turn off. Nothing on the dashboard, no voltage.